So Children's Hospital Foundation was founded in 1983, really to fund research, clinical care, and education at the Oklahoma Health Center. And so what we do is we raise funds to support the Department of Pediatrics, and we have fulfilled endowed chairs. We have about 36 endowed chairs, which those are about $2 million a piece. And we're supporting those doctors' research, making sure that our kids in Oklahoma don't have to leave the state to receive the best care possible. So this money will be unrestricted. So this allows us to actually really kind of use it in ways that the department needs best. So the greatest need right now is our cancer initiative. So we're raising $6 million of our $25 million goal to raise funds to bring in a new endowed chair in the section of hematology oncology. And with that recruitment, there will be additional staff, lab resources that will be needed for research. So this money will be put to that, and it'll also be matched by our organization dollar per dollar. This money is crucial to us. Obviously, during the pandemic, we had about a $3 million deficit of what we normally raise, which impacts what we're able to do to the Department of Pediatrics and how they're able to have money for research. A lot of things we had to kind of nail down, and so doctors weren't getting as much money from us to support their research, but this money is going to greatly impact that. We'll be able to get back to the norm, and I think it's a great thing that our state's picking back up and we're moving forward. We support kids in all 77 counties of Oklahoma. No child is turned away from our programs, even with their inability to pay. And all the funds that are used stay here in the state. We're not a national organization, so no money's leaving the state. And our ultimate goal is to ensure that no kid has to leave the state to receive the best care possible.